The management is joining in right now to take some questions. Ganesh Ayyar, CEO at the company from Bangalore. Thanks very much, Mr. Ayyar. Good morning. Prashant this side.
Good morning.
Congratulations on the acquisition. First, could you tell us some, the key details about this, this company that you're acquiring?
Yeah, sure. If you really look at the market segment, one of the important features that we are noticing in the banking financial segment is increased need for risk and compliance management because of regulatory aspects. And mortgage really falls into that space. And if you look at risk and compliance, usage of analytics gives you a tremendous amount of value proposition. So Digital Risk as a company has got analytics platform. They are exclusively focused on mortgage market, US residential mortgage market, and they are doing risk and compliance, transaction-based services. So that makes them ideal because it is, almost like a platform-based KPO services that they provide to the market. Hence, we went for this acquisition. And some of the key features of this company, they have been growing at a very, very rapid pace. In the last 2 years, their CAGR has been 70%. And this year, if you look at first 9 months performance and analyze it, the revenue is going to be touching about $127 billion. So that makes it even more attractive.
Right. Now, so, what are the revenues and profits for the company last stated?
So, as I said, 2012 calendar year, their current run rate will take them to about $127 billion. Their EBITDA is running closer to 13%, and they have been investing heavily on growth and platforms. Going forward, the advantage they will have is the MphasiS scale, market reach. So we are basically building our plans for growth and profitable growth moving forward, and we hope to see that getting reflected in our.
Right. 13% EBITDA, right?
Closer to that.
1-3.
Yeah, that's right.
Right. How do all these things fit in with, starting with what they do to what you do at MphasiS? Are there synergies?
Yeah. So synergy, I'll talk about in a minute, but let me talk about strategic rationalization of this acquisition. 2 years ago, we undertook transformation, and we said that we want to bring the power of applications and BPO services that we have, exclusively focusing on banking, capital market, and insurance. So this actually fits into that space because they are leveraging a combination of their platform and their KPO and focus exclusively on mortgages, which is in the banking capital market segment.
Mr. Ayyar, are you there?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Go on, sir. The line is very bad, so actually I can barely hear you, but go on, sir.
Yeah, so the synergy is in terms of market reach that we have and their existing clients. There is very little overlap between their clients and our clients today. So obviously there is opportunity for us to cross-sell our business into each other's base. And most importantly is to make the value proposition complete by having the capability to expand their services in the scale that we have of about 37,000. So that is what is going to be exciting as we look at it.
How many employees does this company have, sir?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that again? I couldn't hear you.
How many employees does Digital Risk have?
About 1,500 employees. All of them are US-based.
Okay, got that. So, one would assume that this will be earnings accretive right from the word go, right?
That's right. This is going to be EPS accretive in the first 12 months of operation. That is our plan. And that makes it, as I said, one more positive thing for this acquisition.
Got that. Thanks very much, Mr. Ayyar. Appreciate you joining in. Good to get those details.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.